Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to loop a video on YouTube Premium. I was listening to a song on YouTube Premium the other day and didn't feel like replaying it manually every few minutes, so I figured out a simple way to loop it. Instead of looking for a loop button on the video itself, I tap the three dots below the video and save it to a new playlist. I just gave the playlist a quick name and open it right after creating it. Once you play the video from inside the playlist, you'll notice extra controls appear, including a loop option. I'll tap that loop icon, and just like that, the video started repeating automatically without me touching anything. It's a bit of a workaround, but it actually works really well, especially if you're replaying music or podcasts. Honestly, once you set it up, you can just set back and let it run. No interruptions, no awkward silence between replays. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.